Welcome to Wheelcraft Studio. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most iconic luxury cars of the 1970s, the 1975 Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow. A true symbol of prestige and refinement, the Silver Shadow isn't just a car, it was a statement of elegance, craftsmanship, and innovation. If you're a classic car enthusiast or just someone who appreciates the pinnacle of automotive luxury, stay tuned as we explore the history, design, performance, and legacy of this remarkable vehicle. The Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow was first introduced in 1965, replacing the Silver Cloud series. By the time the 1975 model rolled out, the car had already cemented its place as one of the most luxurious and technologically advanced vehicles of its time. Unlike its predecessors, the Silver Shadow featured a unibody construction, making it more rigid, lighter, and offering better handling. This was a major shift for Rolls-Royce, which had previously relied on traditional body-on-frame construction. One of the standout features of the 1975 Silver Shadow was its suspension system. Rolls-Royce equipped the car with a sophisticated hydropneumatic suspension, licensed from Citroën, which provided an incredibly smooth ride. This self-leveling system adjusted the car's height automatically, ensuring passengers experienced the famous magic carpet ride, regardless of road conditions. Under the hood, the 1975 Silver Shadow came with a 6.75-liter V8 engine, producing around 189 horsepower. While it wasn't built for high-speed performance, the focus was on effortless power delivery and refinement. Paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, the Silver Shadow glided along the road with a whisper-quiet demeanor, reinforcing its reputation as the ultimate chauffeur-driven car. The interior of the Silver Shadow was a masterpiece of craftsmanship. Rolls-Royce spared no expense in making the cabin a sanctuary of luxury. The finest Connolly leather, hand-polished walnut veneer, and plush Wilton carpets created an environment that exuded opulence. Every element, from the dashboard to the door panels, was meticulously handcrafted, ensuring that no two Silver Shadows were exactly alike. Technology-wise, the Silver Shadow was ahead of its time. It featured power windows, central locking, air conditioning, and even an optional 8-track stereo system, luxuries that were uncommon in many cars of the era. Rolls-Royce's attention to detail extended even to the smallest elements, such as the precision-engineered switchgear, which had a satisfying mechanical feel. Despite its grandeur, the Silver Shadow was also a driver's car. The power steering was incredibly light, making it easy to maneuver, and the brakes, featuring a dual-circuit hydraulic system, provided impressive stopping power for a car of its size. This made it a favorite not only among the wealthy elite but also among collectors and classic car enthusiasts. The 1975 Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow wasn't just about luxury, it was about making a statement. Owning one signified status, success, and an appreciation for the finer things in life. Even today, well-maintained examples remain highly desirable, with their timeless design and unparalleled craftsmanship still turning heads on the road. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the 1975 Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more classic car content. Stay tuned for more legendary rides from the past, only on Wheelcraft Studio. See you in the next video.